of the year. It's the largest software conference in the world. It's a 4 high-energy days of learning, fun, and sharing. So in Dreamforce, you can listen from industrial visionaries, product expert, and trailblazers, and world-renowned speakers and leaders who will help you to transform your business.
It has been a great dream of Suyati to be recognized as a Salesforce in the world, the global space. Together we have built the Salesforce capability in our organization. We have delivered a couple of top-notch projects for our clients, and during the time of Dreamforce, it is a special spark of energy that comes to our people, and they would like to reflect it through the Dreamflash event that we conduct. And for 2018 Dreamflash, a great success. Together we succeed.
5 years back, when I started working in the Salesforce platform, Dreamforce was pretty new to me. At that time, Dreamforce was just an event for developers to go and do a kind of hackathon, just sit together and solve some stuff. Today, it's more than that. Today, Dreamforce is not just going there, sitting there, and solving a code. It's about meeting people, meeting new people.
Hi, Suyatians.
We are celebrating Dreamforce 2018 by bringing back Dreamflash into Suyati.
So we are going to bring some very exciting sessions for you guys.
And there will be also keynote streaming.
And later updates will be coming in following these. Thank you.
Hi all, we are very much fortunate to work in the world's best CRM platform, that is Salesforce. And the very first thing that came across us when we stepped approach to this platform is the Dreamforce event. So we are very much excited and looking forward for the new release.
I wish all the best to the team who is attending the Dreamforce, and while they are back, we expect more business and from their expertise or their experience, their learnings, so that they can share it with the team, since they are listening directly from the product expertise, and we can share it with the team, and from there the team will be able to take it and build our capabilities further. Thank you and all the best.